This salad is the perfect combination of proteins, nutrients, and amazing flavors, which will keep you satisfied for hours. And the best part, it's on budget and so easy to make. Let's start by pouring 200 grams of quinoa to the pot. And here's the twist. We're throwing in 56 grams of nutritional brewer's yeast, boosting that protein factor. Now add warm water until it covers the quinoa and mix it well. Cover the pot and cook the quinoa on low to medium heat until the water completely vanishes. Now we need 2 medium sweet potatoes. Cut them in half, divide them into stripes, and then cut them into medium pieces. To balance the sweetness and add exciting variety of flavors, we're going to add some spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon of hot chili, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. The next step is to add oil to attach the spices to the sweet potatoes and give it a really good mix. Spread the sweet potato on a baking sheet and add another sprinkle of oil. Now bake them at 200 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until they're golden and tender. We also want to add freshness to the salad, so let's start by chopping 1 scallion. Now take a handful of fresh and aromatic parsley and let's give it a nice chop. Also, a handful of fresh and fragrant cilantro finely chopped too. Now take a bowl and transfer quinoa to it. Add 80 grams of black beans, add the chopped parsley and cilantro, the sweet potatoes, and the last but not least, the scallions. Mix everything well, and all that's left to do is to pour the salad onto a plate, add generously tahini, and enjoy!